Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you summer special healthy and refreshing drink that is called Thandai. You can store this for up to 1 month. I have shared few tips and tricks, so watch the video till the end. Into the bowl add 2 tablespoons of almonds, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of unsalted pistachios, 1 tablespoon of melon seeds, 1 tablespoon of couscous or poppy seeds. It will give a very refreshing taste. Soft or fennel seeds. It will improve the taste. And 4 to 5 pieces of cardamom. Black peppercorns 1 tablespoon. Few threads of saffron or kesar, and this is how it comes into the bottle. And now add half cup of hot water to soak the dry fruits, and now soak it for about 5 to 6 hours at least, and then I will show you. It's been 6 hours. You have seen the dry fruits are properly soaked, all are properly popped up. You can see the black peppercorns, the cashews. Now take a blending jar, add these soaked dry fruits along with water. Remove all the dry fruits from the bowl. Add little water if you need it, and then add 2 tablespoons of gulukand or rose petal jam into this mixture. Then add few strains of saffron, and now cover it and grind it into the smooth paste, and the paste is ready, and I will show you the consistency. At this point you will see slight grains, but in a minute I will show you. This is how smooth it is. So try to make it as smooth as possible. Take a pan or kadai, add 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 cup of normal water. Switch on the heat to high flame and cook until the sugar dissolves properly. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the sugar dissolves, as you can see here, I have taken the separate kadai because the pan is small. Now I have removed the paste into the kadai and then add the syrup into the paste, and now cook it on medium flame and take one boil and stir continuously. Once it starts bubbling, as you can see here, at this point you have to quickly stir it, otherwise start spilling all over the gas. So you have to keep on stirring, and then add half cup of more water. As you are boiling, the water evaporates, so you have to add half cup of more water and then cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you will notice it starts getting thick. We are looking for this type of consistency. Now this is the perfect consistency. Switch off the heat and let the mixture cool down completely, and then I will show you. After completely cool down, this is how thick it became. So that's why we have to check the consistency. To store the Thandai mixture, here I have taken a clean and dry glass jar. Don't use the plastic jar. And now start pouring this Thandai mixture into the glass jar, as you have seen here. You can use this mixture for up to 1 month. After that it will start changing the taste. Cover the lid and store into the refrigerator for 1 month. Now let's prepare the Thandai drink. Take 1 glass, add 1 tablespoon of Thandai mixture. Because my glass is small, that's why I am using 1 tablespoon. You can use the quantity according to the glass that you have taken. And then add cold and boiled milk and give it a quick mix until the mixture and the milk combines together, and then garnish it with some dry fruits. This is ready to serve. It is a very healthy and refreshing drink for summer time. You can store this into the refrigerator for up to 1 month and store when only it's properly cooled down. Hope you like this recipe of healthy and refreshing summer drink Thandai. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.